Being nice, kind, treating people the way you want to be treated, especially the patients when they come in here. It's no one's favorite place to be, so just kind of easing that discomfort and that uneasiness by just talking with them and being nice to them. A lot of patients really respect that. I'm Dr. Warren. I'm one of the dentists here at Capozzi Dental. I'm originally from Richmond, Virginia. I went to dental school at University of Pennsylvania. After that, me and my now husband moved to Maryland, where I practiced for a little bit. Then last summer we decided to move into Pennsylvania, so then I started looking for jobs and found Capozzi Dental. I first started out working in a retirement community, so it was a lot of good experience. Got to see a lot of stuff I didn't see in dental school, really build up my resume, which was nice, and create nice lasting relationships with those patients. I love the patients. That's my favorite part of dentistry. That's why I picked General Dentistry, because you get to see the same patients every 6 months. You get to see their kids, their parents, their grandparents, everybody. We like to create fun little games with the families between husband and wife when they come in and try to compete, see who can have the least amount of cavities every time. So it makes it nice and fun. So I saw the billboard when I was on 83, and that's when I was looking for a job. So I contacted the office and scheduled a little meeting with Dr. Capozzi and then our practice administrator, Meredith, and I really enjoyed getting to know them. So I scheduled a day to come on in and work with the team, and everyone was such a good team player, super friendly, so it ended up being the perfect fit. I think the biggest thing is just listening to the patients. The patients always tell you what's wrong. They always tell you what's causing that issue, whether it's something in their diet or their home care, anything like that. And that was the biggest lesson I learned from starting so early. I couldn't do any of the clinical aspects, so when the dentist would leave the room, I would just sit there and chat with the patients and ended up solving all the mysteries. So my biggest value is respect, and I think that's why I loved when I worked with this team so much, because everybody really respects each other, helps each other out. One person doesn't leave before everybody's done, so we all kind of help each other, make sure the rooms are cleaned up on time. We're willing to lend a helping hand, even do something if it's not part of our normal job description. Big thank you to the patients already. They've been so welcoming and so open to having me come in this practice, and they've been nothing but nice to me, so I just really appreciate the warm welcome here. I've definitely felt it.